Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Terumot Perek Mishnah He. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss about Teruma that refell into Hulin. Okay, what do I mean? You have, let's read the Mishnah. Se'at Teruma, shenafla l'me'ah. You have one Se'at Teruma that fell into 100, Hulin. Okay, what's the law? That's Ta'aleh, right? All you have to do is take one out, and you could eat the rest. Give that one to the Kohen. Now, Higbiha, you pull that one out. V'nafla l'makom ha'chayer. Now that item refell in to another place. Now, how do we treat this? Do we say that the one that you picked out is Teruma, 100% Teruma, and if it refell into another pile of Hulin, that's going to make the other pile of Hulin, right? Is if it's less than 100, it's going to be Meduma. If it's more than 100, Ta'ale. Or are we going to say that no, when that one piece refell into the next pile, it's not Teruma. Even though you picked it out to give to the Kohen, it's not actual 100% Teruma. It's actually 1/100th or one out of 101 of actual Teruma in that one piece. So how do we treat that? If it falls into another pile of Hulin, refalls into another pile of Hulin, is less than 100, is 99, it's medama'at. It makes the whole thing safek Teruma, Ketrumat Vadai, as if that one piece that fell in was absolute 100% Teruma. Right, Rabbi Eliezer, by the way, is consistent. Remember, in a few Mishnayot ago, what did he say? He said the one that you picked out is the one that fell in. So if the one that fell in was Teruma, the first time you picked it out, it's actual Teruma. It falls into another pile. Okay, Teruma fell into another pile. It's medamat. Hachamim argue. Hachamim, what do they say? Ena medamat ela lefi hashbon. Hachamim say no. It's only medamat according to its proportion. Now, what does that mean? Its proportion. It's already 1 out of 101. Right? There's nothing that this could possibly, technically, it seems like there's nothing it could fall into to make this to make the item that it falls into to render it safek teruma. Right? It's already so diluted. So the way Harambam explains, and you have to explain like this, is what's the fi hashbon according to proportion? We're only looking at the teruma proportion in that one item. So if one piece of teruma fell into Hulin, you pick it out, right? Ta'aleh. You pick it out. Now it has 1 out of 101, right? So a little less than a percent Hulin over there. Now we're saying, okay, we're going to treat that as 100th, even though that whole se'ah you just picked out, only 100th of it is considered teruma. Now, if that falls into something, we're going to look at that 100th only. We're going to ignore the other 99. If that 100th fell into another pile of one se'ah, right? That falls into one se'ah. 100 with the se'ah falls into one se'ah. Then we're going to say that it's olah, right? Because that's the right ratio. But let's say it falls into less than a se'ah. It falls into anything less than a se'ah. Then it's 100th that fell into less than a se'ah. That will be medamat. So that's why Harambam explains that ena medamat ela lefi hashbon. Halacha, by the way, is like Chachamim.